Google Pixel 10 Pro new videos leak. Google officially shows off Pixel 10 Pro in new moonstone color. Google will unveil the Pixel 10 series tomorrow. Its pre-orders are expected to begin on same date and shipments are slated to start on August 28th. This time, we're getting some leaked promo images showing the Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, Pixel Watch 4, and Pixel Buds 2a, all in the same moonstone colorway. The live shots reveal several visual changes compared to the Pixel 9 Pro. The USB-C port at the bottom now sits between two identical cutouts. The SIM tray has been shifted to the top left edge of the device. The Pixel 10 Pro looks pretty much just like its predecessor from last year, as you can see, with the same oval-shaped metal camera island. It is powered by the next-generation Tensor G5 chipset, paired with 16GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and runs Android 16. The Pixel 10 lineup is expected to include multiple devices. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.